Pero yun nga, kanina nilinaw sa akin ng manager mo, that's not true, no? Although, totoong nagkaroon ng issue about the billing, yung laki. Pero hindi naman daw totoong pinapapantay kay Mamagay. Is this true? Si Derek muna pasagutin ko, Derek.
May I please speak first?
Sige.
I am shocked by the question, but I would like to handle it as professional as possible.
Yes.
I believe that the question is inappropriate for the event, and also hindi ko po alam kung ano mararamdaman ko because that is, I do not have any idea about that, and I'm worried about how people in this room might take it, hearing it from a representative from the press.
Yeah, oo, pero what I'm after is maging malinaw. Kasi kanina, nilinaw din ni Tracy, kasi nung Monday, may kumakalat ng ganyan issue. So, sabi nga, tanongin daw si Direk. Tapos kanina, tinanong ko si Tracy, sabi ni Tracy mismo, that's not true, hindi namin pinapapantay. Yes, we requested na medyo lakihan, oo na. Yun nga, so medyo nilakihan nga.
Okay, apologies. Pasensya na po. No, I would just like to clarify also that the opportunity to work with the superstar, with our national artist, is already a blessing. And it is an opportunity that I already knew na hindi ko po palalagpasin. Being with her on set was a masterclass for me and was a dream I never thought I would achieve this early in my career. Kaya po, yung makasama si Miss Nora, that's already enough. Yes. Ako po bilang isang aktor, and the love that I have for my craft, and the respect that I have for myself and the industry, billing is not really, it's a bonus, it is something, I don't know, between, internally, but ito pong question is something that I am not aware about. And bonus na lang po yun eh. It is a recognition as to how people see and respect the way I do my work. Pero dito po sa pelikulang ito na Mananamban, napakatagal na panahon ko pong hinintay ito na maipalabas dahil pinaghirapan po namin lahat ito. At marami pong pinagdaanan ng pelikulang ito. At yung maipalabas po ito at makita, lalo po na ito po ang pagbabalik pelikula ni Miss Nora Honor is all that matters. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, very well said.